Guys, my brother's been away for a while. Not sure what is he doing. Yo, what? What? Yo, dude, what are you doing?
Bro, get out!
You're watching it without me? What? I am going to turn my caller ID off. I don't want to be banned from KFC.
KFC 29 speaking.
Hey, good day. I'm calling from head office here. We seem to have lost. We're calling from head office. We seem to have lost the recipe.
Sorry, I'm still having trouble hearing you. Do you have to speak up?
Can you hear me now?
Not really.
Wait, how'd you know what I said?
KFC Elizabeth Alec is speaking.
Good day. I'm just calling from head office. Can you hear me well?
Yeah?
Yeah, brilliant.
I'll give it to Jose.
No, okay, up to you.
Head office.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thank you.
Brilliant. Just calling from head office. We seem to have lost the recipe here. Did you guys have it lying around in the kitchen?
Sorry, what did you lose?
The recipe.
Recipe?
Yeah, for the hot and spicy one we just launched.
I don't understand your question. What are you asking for, sorry?
Do you guys have the recipe how to make the chicken lying around in the kitchen anywhere?
Are you joking right now? Because this is definitely not a head office call.
No, we seem to have lost the recipe and it's causing a lot of trouble here, so...
I'm sorry, but maybe Google it. And stop calling the store. Fucking idiot.
Whoa. Now I feel so bad.
Yes, is that straight?
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
I was just wondering, because I've got a few allergies. Could I confirm if it's okay for me to come in and have the hot and spicy chicken?
You can look up the nutrition, like the ingredients on kfcnutrition.com.
It doesn't have anything here that says basil specifically, but
Yep.
maybe have a look at yourself.
Yep, alright.
Because it lists pretty much everything, and it says if it's present or if there's a trace of it.
Alright, I'll have a look
It's
now.
kfc.com.au/nutrition-allergen. Or if you just type nutrition allergen KFC into Google, it will come up for you.
I'll have a look there. But you can't give me the recipe, can you?
No, we don't actually know the recipe, unfortunately.
It's a secret,
All
hey?
we know is what's on those fact sheets.
Alright, brilliant. Cheers, bro.
No, sorry about that.
That's all good, mate. Okay, so we just went on the KFC nutrition site like our brothers and sisters suggested from the front line. I'm just trying to see where the... Okay, so I'll come in. Allergen fact sheet on nutrition. Okay, let's look at the allergen fact sheet. Egg, milk, egg. Okay, that doesn't give us anything. We all know there's egg. If there's chicken, there's egg. That's literally where they came from. It's not...
What? Bro, these are like very general topics. Like
Not helpful. Well played, KFC. Well played. So, we are going to resort to our last option. Our brothers and sisters from the internet.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me.
Chicago trivia. Here's what happened. This reporter went into Corbin in Kentucky. This reporter went into Corbin in Kentucky. How do you say it?
Kentucky, bro. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, yeah. There he met a 60-year-old man who actually knew the colonel. He refers to him as Old Man Sanders. Now, I'm already loving this story. There's a bit of personal touch to it. While sitting down and having a chat with this 60-year-old man, the 60-year-old man draws his attention to an old photo album with pictures of the colonel and his aunt. In that photo album, this journalist notices this. I know what you're thinking. It's the 11 herbs and spices, literally 11, and it even tells you how much of each. I don't know about you, that's a pretty strong case.
Convincing.
Let's do the groceries, and then we'll see you guys when we're actually prepping. Alright, phase 2 of the mission is to go and get the groceries. However, it is Corona time. Safety first! He's not gonna be leaving the car, so he's not wearing a mask. Don't report us. Alright, let's go, let's go.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
Mission complete. Got the spices for both of our chicken. How are we gonna make chicken, and who's gonna decide if it's close to the secret recipe? Valid question. And the answer is we're gonna test it with the real KFC chicken. So let's go to KFC now. Yeah, I'm brown. That's okay. Can I get 2 pieces of hot and spicy chicken?
We have the 11 herbs and spices. First we have some thyme, and we crushed it ourselves. Then we have basil leaves crushed. We have some oregano leaves crushed. We have sage, ground sage. Then we have garlic salt. And this is a really crucial ingredient. It's ground white pepper. Some paprika. Salt, obviously. Dried mustard. Crushed garlic. Crushed ginger, sorry. And we have some black pepper. Crushed.
So you're telling me these were the 11 herbs and spices?
Yes.
You just get it at Woolies?
Yes, sir. Well, let's see if it works.
So how's this gonna work?
Mix most of the herbs into the flour, and then we're gonna coat it in buttermilk. Literally all the chicken goes into buttermilk with the spices, and then we literally dip it in the flour with some herbs and then fry it.
Right, let's just show them. Hey, let's go. Alright guys, here's the final product. So this is a chicken we made. This is a chicken we got from KFC. And honestly, can you even tell that? Okay, fine. Maybe you can tell a little bit of difference, but I'm pretty happy with this. How about you?
To be fair, this is the spicy chicken. If we get the original one, this is more crispy.
Correct. I think this looks a lot like the original. Anyway, Now for the number one thing to do, bro. The taste test.
test.
How many numbers am I holding on?
24. Oh, that's not possible.
Okay, you can't see. Good job. It's going in. It's coming in hot. Open your mouth. Run us through what's happening in your mouth right now.
I'm getting a lot of flavors. I got a bit of the skin and it's very crispy. It's spicy chicken.
Correct. It's coming in hot, my friend.
So crispy.
Which one?
So crispy my tooth hurts.
Yeah, so which one is it?
I think you gave me a bowl.
Yo, what bone? Which chicken is this bone from?
This has to be our one.
Correct. Got our dad. My dad was sleeping, so we got our mom. Doesn't matter, should be the same thing. We're gonna blind her. So
Don't give me leg piece, please. No. I don't like it.
Yep. So first one. You can have it with one piece of chip. There we go. Here we go, chip. Do you guys open your mouth? Open wide. This is not like a small piece. Wide. Here we go. Take it in. Alright. You can have it with the chips if you like. KFC or your children?
KFC.
Correct. Okay, first one. এখন next time আমি তোমাকে আবার KFC দিতে পারি অথবা আমাদেরটা তুমি জানো না ঠিক আছে you don't know which one we're giving in strong আমাদেরটা হতে পারে অথবা আবার KFC okay open your mouth what yeah. Nice take it nice choose one huh yes it's KFC it's KFC okay. What? Wait, why are we celebrating oh yeah it's
it is.
well wait you didn't even choose though like, she didn't even taste it yet so
What? She did.
she didn't taste the that was KFC
Yeah.
she never tasted home
এগুলো খুলে দাও
no final
Yeah,
one
that's the point.
no
Then
she
with the
doesn't know what it
KFC.
tasted like okay it's not a leg piece it's not
Chicken nuggets.
it's actually breast piece come on
Oh, very crispy. I can hear.
what what
KFC.
Yes. 2 out of 2.
Don't lie.
No.
Okay, you can open it. Congrats. It was ours.
Thanks for participating, man.
Guys, that was a bit of a random video with my brother. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And let me know if you guys like this kind of content. And I will make sure to post more. I'll let you guys go. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.